What's the meaning of curtain up? Curtain up. Curtain up.
Curtain up. Curtain up. Curing up is a term used in theater to refer to the moment when the performance begins and the curtains are raised. It signals the start of the show and sets the tone for the audience. As the curtains part, the stage is revealed, and the actors begin to perform, creating an immersive experience for the audience. This moment is often accompanied by music or other sound effects to add to the drama and build excitement. Overall, curtain up represents the culmination of weeks or months of rehearsals and preparation, and marks the beginning of the theatrical production.